Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. The stitch I'm going to show you today, it's very easy, simple, it's beginner friendly because we're going to work mainly with double crochets. I'm going to use two colors, this yellow and this gray color. You don't have here we don't have multiples. You just have to chain any even number of chains depending on what you'll be making with this stitch. I'm going to chain 20 chains just to show you on a small swatch how to make the stitch. Now go ahead and make your chains and I'll wait for you to start row 1. And here are my chains. Now let's start row 1. Start from the second chain from the hook with single crochet and make one single crochet in each chain. Row 2, chain 4 and turn. We're going to make double crochets, yarn over, skip the first stitch and the one next to it, and going to the third stitch with one double crochet, chain 1, then skip the next stitch and go into the next, one double crochet, chain 1, skip one stitch, go into the next, one double crochet, chain 1, and then again skip one stitch, go into the next, one double crochet, chain 1. And when you reach the end of the row, you should have left 2 stitches. Just after you chained 1, make another double crochet in the last stitch. But before you finish it, we have to change the color. So I'm just going to grab the yellow yarn and finish the double crochet with it. And with that, row 2 is ready, and now we'll move on to row 3. And now for row 3, chain 1 and turn. Make one single crochet in the very first stitch. Now we have to make one double crochet in this stitch here, but we're not going from here from the front, we're going from the back. So turn it, yarn over, go into the stitch and make the double crochet. And this is how it's looking. From here, make one single crochet above the double crochet from the previous row, and then another double crochet into the next skipped stitch here. Go from behind into the stitch, take the yarn, pull up a loop and make the double crochet. Then one single crochet above the next double crochet. And these are the steps. You just have to repeat them until you reach the end of the row. And here I'm almost at the end of the row. I just wanted to show you how to finish it. So I made the last double crochet here on the last skipped stitch, and what we have here left is the chain 4 we did at the beginning of row 2. So to finish the row we have to make one single crochet in the third chain stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the third stitch. Just go into it and make the single crochet. And with that the row is completed. For row 4, chain 4 and turn. We're going to make again double crochets. Skip this, the very first stitch here where the chain comes from, skip the next stitch also and work into the one after that. One double crochet, chain 1, then skip the next stitch here and work into the stitch next to it. Chain 1, skip one stitch, work into the next one. Chain 1, and these are the steps, just have to repeat them until the end of the row. And when you reach the end of the row, just finish it with one double crochet in the last stitch. And now before we start row 5, we have to change the colors. So I'll just grab the gray yarn from below and I'll finish the double crochet with. And now on to row 5, chain 1 and turn. Start from the very first stitch right here with one single crochet. Then we're going to work again into these skipped stitches between the double crochets and again from behind. So just go from behind into the stitch, take the yarn, pull up and make the double crochet. After that we have one single crochet above the double crochet from the previous row. Then again one double crochet into the next stitch. And then one single crochet in the next double crochet. We're going into the next stitch again from behind, one double crochet, then one single crochet. And you have to repeat the steps until you reach the end of the row. This row is basically the same as row 3, but with a different color. And when you reach the end of the row, just make one single crochet in the third chain stitch. Again, this is the chain 4 we did at the beginning of row 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 chains total. Here is the third chain. So 1, I don't know if you can see it, 1, 2, 3. Here, insert the hook and make one single crochet. For row 6 we continue with the same color, chain 4 and turn. Skip this and this stitch and into the third stitch make one double crochet, chain 4, skip one stitch into the next, one double crochet, chain 1, skip one stitch, one double crochet into the next, chain 1, and repeat to the end of the row. And finish the row with one double crochet in the last stitch. And from here you have to repeat rows from 3 to 6. You have to change colors every 2 rows. So for example, this is the second row with gray. Now we have to change to yellow and go back to repeat the steps in row 3. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!